so focused you lost track of time, totally locked in, that's not luck. That's a state called flow. And stress plays a role in getting you there. I'm Steven, and managing stress isn't just about calming down. It's about using the right amount of stress to stay focused, sharp, and productive. This is where the stress performance curve comes in. Too little stress, you become bored or distracted. Too much, you're overwhelmed or you're anxious. But in the middle, that's a sweet spot, and that's where flow happens. Flow is that zone where challenge meets skill. You're fully engaged, whether you're lifting weights, playing music, or could be even be working on a class project. To get there, the task has to be just hard enough to stretch you, but not so hard that you panic. And you need clarity, focus, and no distractions. Stress management helps you stay in that zone. Try deep breathing to reset when overwhelmed. Use exercise to shake off nervous energy. Protect your sleep so your brain can focus. And disconnect from noise. Flow thrives in focus. The goal isn't zero stress. It's just enough to drive performance and help you hit that flow state. That's where you grow, create, and you feel your best.